Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about remote jobs for Africans that require no experience and are beginner friendly. So without wasting time, kindly subscribe, like this video, and also stick around because I'm going to show a remote job for each and every one of you. So we can start, and the first company is called Meridial by Invisible. In their dashboard, you will be able to see featured jobs, and these are the featured jobs. All these roles are remote and you can apply and work from the comfort of your home. The first featured job is Kotlin Coding Specialist. This is a bit technical, but stick around. I'm going to show you a job that you don't require any experience. Kotlin Coding Specialist Freelance AI Trainer Project. It's hiring worldwide. So if you are a specialist at this, you can click and see more application details for you to apply. The Spatial Reasoning Specialist Senior Freelance AI Trainer Project also is hiring worldwide and it's remote. Hindi language, we are not talking about that because I specifically want to talk about jobs that are hiring Africans right now and no experience. So Japanese language specialist, Korean language specialist. If you are watching and you belong to either Hindu, Japanese, Korean language and this language, you can as well apply. But what I want us to talk about, I want us to scroll to all projects. At here you will see they are currently having 435 projects, and most of them are easy and require no experience. The first one is payroll specialist freelance project. Stick around because the last job is easy for everyone. Payroll specialist freelance project worldwide. So if you are specialist at this, you can click and see more details. Chief executive freelance AI trainer project, it's hiring worldwide. General operations specialist freelance AI trainer, it's hiring everywhere. And securities and commodity specialist freelance AI trainer, most of these jobs are AI training jobs. So if you love training LLMs, you can apply for these jobs because they are good fit for you. Training and development specialist trainer, you can as well apply for that. But I want us to scroll down until we see African remote jobs. So what we are going to do, we can search here for a project. Let's search maybe Africa, not Africa, so sorry. There is a place where we can search location, United Kingdom, worldwide, language, Africans. So if you search Africans, you will see these three roles. The first one is Africans language specialist freelance AI trainer. The second one is Africans voice acting specialist freelance AI trainer, and the third one is African trilingual language specialist freelance AI trainer. So I was interested with this second role. Let us open it and see. Africans voice acting specialist freelance AI trainer project. It's hiring worldwide and it's remote. Target profile near native proficiency in Africans. Project overview. We are engaging expert in Africans to record short scripted reads. Think light voice acting stroke voiceover. A clean diction, natural delivery and consistent quality. Looking for expressive and conversational. If you have got a quiet space and a decent mic, we want to hear you. Must speak two languages, well preferred non-English. So maybe you speak in Swahili, you speak in Zulu, you speak in, maybe you are in Nigeria, you speak your native language, you are good fit for this. Must be native fluency in the listed language, then either one, equal proficiency in the other two, near native in the other, or three, working proficiency in other. What you will do, record short lines and paragraphs in your dominant language, various tones, friendly, neutral, and authoritative. Participate in paired or group script reading with other African speakers, typically short script of around 5 minutes. Follow direction and retake as needed for timing, emphasis, and clarity. Submit clean, well-labeled audio files on schedule. What you'll need, native level fluency, your language and strong, easy to understand speech, silence recording environment, no background noise, echo or hum, crisp audio, a good microphone is a big plus, stable setup, pop filter if possible, ability to follow brief and take notes on pronunciation or style, nice to have, prior voice over acting, broadcasting or mic experience, basic audio hygiene, steady levels, consistent miking. Now, this is the best part of it. We offer a pay range of $8 to $65 per hour with the exact rate determined after evaluating your experience, expertise, and geographic location. Final offer amounts may vary from the pay range listed above. As a contractor, you will supply a secure computer, high-quality microphone and recording setup, and stable internet connection. Company-sponsored benefits such as health, insurance, and PTO do not apply. Job title: African Voice Acting Specialist, AI Trainer. Employment type: contract, work type: remote. Seniority level: mid-senior. So this is the application process. Apply for this job. Indicate your first name, last name, email, country, and resume or CV. Education, degree, discipline. So just fill your details here. Then what country are you residents of? If you are maybe from Kenya, you can say Kenya. If you are from Nigeria, Nigeria. If you are from South Africa or any other African country, you can apply. If you are currently based in the United States, please confirm your current state of residence. If you are based outside of the United States, select I am not located in the United States. So at this point, you are going to select you are not located in the United States. Please select all the languages you are proficient in. Proficiency means you can effectively communicate complex ideas, including academic or cognitively challenging topics, both verbally and in writing. This includes the ability to participate in professional conversation, explain concepts, and understand detailed instructions in the sentence. So guys, go through everything, and once you finish filling this form, you can accept their terms, then submit. After that, they will send you a follow-up email. So guys, don't forget to apply for this role. The next one is called Cosmos Voice Assistant Integration Segmentation. Description: we are looking for motivated contributors to join Cosmos project, and the best thing is that they are hiring worldwide and it's fixed hourly rate. As a voice assistant, interaction, segmentation, and labeling and transcription specialist, contributors will listen to long audio recordings between users and voice assistants and segment into distinct meaningful user interaction. So guys, this is the next job. This project will help improve the natural flow, understanding, and linguistic accuracy of voice-based AI system through precise interaction, segmentation, and high-quality transcription. Main requirement: proficiency in the target language. So guys, make sure in your CVs or resumes you include these requirements. Maybe you can twist your resume to have this: proficiency in the target language, must be fluent in one of the target languages, listening skills, strong comprehension and attention to audio cues such as pauses, tone shifts, and speaker changes, analytical thinking, work environment, tools and access, availability, communication. If you want to apply, just click this apply and you will get a form to fill. The last job is Fred annotation. Description: natural language and L annotators will analyze and annotate user utterances by converting them into structured presentations of intent. Purpose: these annotations enable AI system to accurately understand and respond to user requests, ultimately improving the system performance and reliability. Main requirement, just as I told you, make sure you include these in your CVs or resumes. Must be a native speaker of target language. See the list. Commitment to complete the onboarding and training process required to participate in this project. Noting that resource pool is limited due to confidentiality. One thing about OneForma is that they will pass you through training so that they ensure you have the right skills. Availability to contribute 30 to 50 hours per month, ensuring tasks are completed within the expected timeline. So the best way to do this, make sure you include all these details in your CV, and it will increase your chances of being selected. Other requirements: academic background in linguistic, philosophy, translation, or related field. These are not must, but if you have them, it's an advantage. At least 1 year of experience working on annotation. But don't worry, if you don't have these requirements, you can as well apply for Cosmos or Meridial job. And this was our last job. Thank you guys for watching up to that point. Kindly subscribe to this channel, like and share with your friends so that they get to know more of these offers. Also, I'm going to leave all the links of these jobs in the description below, so it can be easier for you to click and apply. Also, you can join my Telegram group where I post tips on how you can pass these jobs, and the link is also on the description below. And if you have any question, you can write it on the comment section and I'll be able to answer you. Till next video, goodbye.